Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Bridger mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Bridger's mobile banking app is designed to help customers securely manage their accounts from their smartphones. Core features include checking balances, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds between eligible accounts, making mobile check deposits via camera, using Popmoney or Zelle for easy payments to others, receiving alert notifications, and locating branches and ATMs. The app's main feature is its full-service mobile hub. You open the app and can immediately monitor balances, deposit checks, transfer money, pay bills, and manage alerts, all from your phone. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its user-friendly interface, strong ratings, 4.8 on iOS, and dependable mobile deposit function. However, some users note that resetting passwords or using facial recognition login remains slightly cumbersome, particularly for older users. In summary, the Bank of Bridger mobile app may be worth using if you're a Bank of Bridger customer looking for mobile-friendly access to everyday banking, checking balances, depositing checks, transferring funds, sending money, and receiving alerts. However, if you need advanced financial planning tools or multi-bank integrations, you might find the app somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.